Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word we. Let's begin. We like to play. Let's read it again. We like to play. Now, you give it a try. Awesome. We like to draw. Let's read that again. We like to draw. Now, you give it a try. Great job. We left the house. We left the house. Your turn to read. Awesome. We have fun. Let's read it again. We have fun. Now it's your turn. Great job. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.